Good morning, everyone. We are Team Srishti from Satish Chandra Memorial School, Chagda, West Bengal. We came up with an idea titled E-Methane Genesis, powering the future from air, water, and CO2. Imagine a world where the carbon we emit every day does not harm the planet, but instead fuels our future. Today, we bring you a glimpse of the possibility. Our project tackles the urgent challenge of rising carbon dioxide levels by turning emissions into a renewable energy source. Using an aluminium-air battery, we generate hydrogen from water, which then combines with industrial carbon dioxide to create e-methane, a clean and synthetic fuel. This approach is not just about energy, it's about rethinking the way we interact with our environment. To show how it all comes together, I will now hand over to my teammates who will walk you through the process in detail.
Now let us understand the process of hydrolysis, which plays instrumental role in formation of methane. Hydrolysis is the process of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using energy. The energy cycle begins with the aluminum-air battery, which provides electricity to split water. The hydrogen stores this energy and then reacts with captured carbon dioxide in the Sabatier process. To produce when e-methane is used, it releases energy and the carbon dioxide can be captured again, creating a carbon neutral cycle that turns emissions into usable energy.
E-methane synthesis, transforming inputs to energy. Cycle of e-methane. Now we dive into the cycle of e-methane. E-methane is produced by following the Sabatier reaction. According to the reaction, for creating 1 kilogram of e-methane, we need 2.75 kilogram of CO2. And also, after burning the same amount of e-methane, 2.75 kilogram of CO2 is produced. Therefore, it becomes a complete cycle and thus a renewable green fuel is formed. Now the benefits of e-methane production. Number 1, it minimizes carbon footprint. Number 2, it supports sustainable cycle. Number 3, it contributes to carbon capture. Number 4, it helps in enhancing energy security. And last but not the least, it promotes economic growth to a huge extent.
Now we take a comparative look between e-methane and the traditional fuels we have in our hand. At first, we go for the e-methane. E-methane is, of course, a sustainable alternative. Why? Because it is made through air, water, and CO2. This process not only produces lower emissions, but also helps in capturing carbon dioxide. Whereas, on the other hand, if you look into traditional fuels, we have an environmental burden on them. Why? Because they are mostly taken from fossil origins and also they contribute a great deal in carbon emissions. Now we go into some technological innovations in hydrolysis and synthesis. Two such very key innovations are, we can see that they are present in 2020 and 2021. In 2020, we can see that there was an introduction of advanced electrolysis technology that increased the hydrogen production a great deal. And again, in the subsequent year, we can see that there were many novel catalyst development that enhances the synthesis of e-methane.
Now, let us focus on scaling this e-methane production through innovation and collaboration. We have a few strategies. Now, first of all, we'll invest in the technology, advancing research on hydrogen so that we can make it more efficient and more cost effective. Second of all, we'll focus on infrastructure development, building robust distribution networks with pipelines and refueling stations for seamless supplies. Now we'll promote industry collaboration, adoption, and partnering with major sectors to integrate e-methane into existing energy systems. Equally important is public awareness and policy support, educating people about e-methane's benefits and encouraging government incentives. Finally, we would evaluate the sustainability and improvement, constantly evaluating impacts to ensure long-term eco-friendly operations. Now, giving a core concept of the project, the E-Methane Genesis. Let us talk about E-Methane Genesis provides a renewable source of energy from existing resources that we find in our nature, air, water, and carbon dioxide. and it also helps in reducing the greenhouse gases and also produces energy which is renewable and can be recycled. This innovative cycle effectively uses readily available resources while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Ultimately, the methane genesis drives us towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable energy future. Thank you.